Hello guys, welcome to my channel AJG Technical. So today in this video I have brought a very good lens from the company Adcom. This is not a single lens, it contains two lenses. One is macro and another one is the wide angle 120-degree shot lens. So basically this kind of lens, for whom it is important, like people who want to start their career in vlogging or this kind of content creation. So before investing a good amount of money in a DSLR or action camera, they can start with this kind of lens and use it with their mobile phone to capture videos, and then when they will get comfortable with the vlogging kind of culture and all these things, then they can invest their money in some good amount of camera or good things. Okay, so this is a very basic kit, but this basic kit can definitely give you very good result if you know how to use this thing. So without wasting any time, let's do the unboxing and review of this unit of lens from Adcom, and this is known as Adcom travel lens. So let's start the video.
So this is the kind of packaging you get when you buy this kind of lens. So let's unbox it first. So for unboxing I am using a knife and this one. So when you unbox it, you get to see this kind of packaging, and you get the box out of it. This box is not important, throw it up. And this kind of box you get with the thing. So let's open this up. Oh wow, this is nice. You get a very good pouch with the thing. And you get some obviously important paperwork, and most importantly you get some stickers too. If you open up, see, you can get some stickers from Adcom and all these things, and some 10% sale thank you. This is a gift card. So all these things you guys get it with it. Let's now check out the lens. So this is the box. You obviously get a hook. When you can carry, you can put up this hook. So now if you open up the chain, you get to see where's the lens? Oh, the lens is here, you see, and you also get a cloth with it. So basically this is the lens, you see, this is the lens, and I think it's covered up in both the sides. So this is a cover. Oh yes, you see, this is the lens, obviously from front side also. Oh yeah, this is the lens, you see. It's a very good quality lens, you can see, a very good quality lens. So we'll be checking out this thing. So you also get the holder with this. So this is the kind of holder. Oh, this thing got out. So this holder will be, I think, fit in this thing. So let's check it out. So okay, oh yes, okay, this thing got just fit in. It's very simple kind of thing, you see. This is directly, you can see that it's nice on. So if you take up a phone, like I'm using this phone, is OnePlus 5T, so you can directly put up this thing here and then use the camera along with it. Oh, very nice. And also you can use it in the front camera as well, like this. So let's check out some videos and get a review of this, right? So let's check out. Okay,
So guys, this video is shot on my iPhone XR without this lens. So the conventional, the basic lens which I get with my phone, I'm shooting with that. And the thing is that you see a very cropped kind of image, right? Now let's put in this thing and see. You see, the field of view changes drastically. You are able to see like a wide angle shot, see. The wide angle is so good, like you don't see any distortion or any kind of thing here. You get a very big picture of me, right? If you want to see the difference, once more you see this. You see the image becomes so cropped by using this lens. You see, if I put it in correctly, yes, now you see, it's so good. If you want to start vlogging, then definitely you should go for this lens, because this lens will bring the cost of your GoPro or DSLR in a very minimal thing, and for a very minimal amount, only about 2,190 rupees, you can get this thing online from Amazon. And the thing is that it's very good. You see, the field of view changes so drastically. If I move this thing, you see the image becomes so cropped. If you like my content and want more things to come up like this, do like, share and subscribe to my channel AJD Technical. And also I bring some science related stuff in ASMEs, so you can check out those things also.